Have you ever had an accident of any kind?
No, I have never had an accident of any kind.
Have you ever broken a bone or had stitches for a cut or wound?
No, I have never broken a bone or had stitches for a cut or wound.
Have you ever burned yourself? How did you do it? Have you ever burned yourself? How did you do it?
No, I have never burned myself.
Do you think people have more accidents than others?
Yes, some people may be more prone to accidents due to their lifestyle or environment. It is important to be aware of potential risks and take precautions to avoid them.
What are the most kinds of accidents among people you know?
The most common kinds of accidents I have seen among people I know are slips, trips and falls, car accidents, and sports injuries.
Thanks from Hautats. What are the most common problems for the people you know?
From the people I know, some of the most common problems are financial struggles, finding a job, mental health issues, and navigating personal relationships.
Do you know people that are either easy or difficult to get along with? Why is that so?
I know people who are both easy and difficult to get along with. Some people are easy to get along with because they are friendly and understanding, while others can be difficult to get along with because they are guarded and difficult to connect with.
Do you know anyone who eats too much junk food? How can you help?
Yes, I know people who eat too much junk food. I can help by encouraging them to replace junk food with healthier options, such as fruits and vegetables. I can also suggest activities that will help them burn off some of those extra calories, such as going on walks or running.
Do you know anyone who suffers from anorexia? How can you help?
Yes, I know people who suffer from anorexia. I can help by providing emotional support and understanding. I can also encourage them to seek professional help, such as therapy or counseling. I can also help by providing nutritious meals that are balanced and healthy.
Are you weight conscious? Explain.
Yes, I am weight conscious. I try to maintain a healthy diet and exercise regularly. I'm aware of the importance of maintaining a healthy weight and the risks associated with being overweight or underweight.
Are you concerned about your health and fitness? Explain.
Yes, I am concerned about my health and fitness. I try to maintain a healthy diet and exercise regularly. I also make sure to get enough sleep and try to stay stress-free. I believe that taking care of my physical and mental health is essential for overall well-being.
Are people in your country used to sending email, letters, or cards on special occasions?
Yes, people in my country are used to sending emails, letters, and cards on special occasions such as birthdays, holidays, and festivals.
When did you last apologize for doing something wrong? What did you do?
I last apologized for an incident that happened at work a few weeks ago. I had made a mistake in the calculation of a project that cost money and time to fix. I apologized for the mistake and for the inconvenience it had caused.
Are you the kind of person who forgives easily? Explain.
Yes, I am the kind of person who forgives easily. I believe that everyone makes mistakes and that everyone deserves a second chance. I am also aware that holding on to grudges can be damaging to relationships, so I always try to forgive quickly.
When were absent from school, did your parents write notes to your teachers? Explain.
Yes. My parents would always write notes to my teachers whenever I was absent from school. They believed it was important to keep teachers informed and to make sure I was taking my studies seriously.
Are you used to doing favors or asking other people for favors? Explain.
I'm used to both doing favors for others and asking for favors from others. I believe that it's important to help out those in need, and I also believe that it's important to ask for help when needed. I think that favors can be a great way to build relationships and create a strong network of people who can help each other out.
Do you put up people when they travel? Do you ask others to put you up when you travel?
Yes. I often put up people when they travel. I think it's important to help out friends and family when they need it, and I'm happy to offer a place to stay. I also sometimes ask others to put me up when I travel, especially if I'm visiting a place I don't know very well.
Do you ever wish you were someone else? Who? Why?
No. I am content with who I am. I have had many opportunities to improve and develop myself, and I am proud of who I have become. I have had the privilege of working hard and achieving great things, while also giving back to my community. I am grateful for all the experiences I have had and the people I have met along the way.
If your house were on fire, what would be the first thing you would try to save?
If my house were on fire, the first thing I would try to save would be my family. I would make sure that they were safe and out of harm's way before attempting to save any belongings.
If you lived on a desert island, what would you miss from civilization?
If I lived on a desert island, I would miss the connection to the outside world. I would miss having access to technology, being able to communicate with people, and being able to learn about new cultures and ideas.
If you lived away from your country, what would you miss the most?
If I lived away from my country, I would miss my family and friends the most. No matter how far away I am, I would still miss my loved ones and the culture and community in which I grew up.
Have you ever had a wish come true?
Yes. I have had multiple wishes come true. I have been fortunate enough to follow my dreams and achieve success in my career and in my life. I have also had the opportunity to give back to my community and make a difference in the lives of others.
What advice would you give someone in order to become rich?
My advice for becoming rich is to focus on long-term goals rather than short-term gains. Develop a plan and set goals that will help you achieve your financial goals. Work hard and be disciplined. Invest in yourself and your education. Look for opportunities to increase your income. And save and invest your money wisely. With hard work and dedication, you can achieve financial success.